Welcome to second week of the training block. Today, mag-workout kami ng client ko. Pero wala pa kasi siya, malilate daw siya. Siguro mga isang oras malilate yun. So, take advantage. Marami akong gagawin ngayon. Like, I have 4x4 top set sa squat and then 8x8 front squats. So, last warm up.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in it.
Of 100 kg. I think we're good today. Top set, 125. 4x4. Okay, so pagkatingin ko ng bag ko, naiwan ko yung knee sleeves ko. Oh my God. What do I do? Let me see kung ano mangyayari ng first set ko. Yo! Limiting na yung i-training natin. Mag-1 rep max kami ng squat.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak. Oh, these brothers my guys, know that we fly.
Hindi yan. Yung sa ano yan, sa maths. Ito tatandaan mo sa lahat ng bagay, walang pantay. Lahat may pagkukulang.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
That was last set. We survived. Walang knee sleeves. Okay, so welcome to the second week of training. Kasama ko si Mark, yung sinasabi kong client ko, yung tutulungan ko mag-powerlift. Then sabay kami magko-compete. Hello Mark.
Hi.
So ayun. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is magte-test kami ng 1 rep max niya. Sa squat, bench, tsaka deadlift. Kasi yun yung mistake na nagawa namin the first week is hindi namin na-gauge kung ano talaga yung 1 rep max niya. Kasi ginagawa niya yung 1 rep max niya sa Smith machine. In terms of standard, kung ano yung gagawin mo sa powerlifting, kailangan free weights. Okay? Usually sa Smith machine, mas magaan lang yun compared mo sa free weights. So let's see kung yung mga target niya na nagagawa niya sa Smith machine, magagawa niya sa free weights. So ano masasabi mo Mark? Handa ka na ba? Ready ka na ba?
Game.
Game. So namin squat kasi ganoon naman talaga SBT. Squat. Tapos na mag-warm up si Mark. Lagyan mo ng 25 both sides. Okay, so ang 1 rep niya sa Smith machine was 50. Ngayon, yung 50 niya kasi kanina, RP, ano lang, RP 6, RP 5 nga lang siguro eh. Now, we're going to try 65 kg. Up! Okay, so RP, ano siya kanina? 6.5. Ngayon, try namin 77.5 kg. Let's go! Tingin mo, ilang ka pa? Dalawa reps?
Hindi.
Ganun?
Plus 1 pa lang. Dalawa lang.
That's 7.5. If you ask me, 7.5 ngayon. Tapos ngayon, ito try natin 85 kg. Actually, 86.5 to. 85 kg lang sinasabi ko. Pero let's see. Ang gagawin namin dito is AMRAP. Ano to? AMRAP.
As many reps as possible.
Yeah. Raise. Squat. Isa pa. Kaya. Hindi kaya. Okay, safe to say, ang 1 rep max mo is nasa 82.5 kg.
Hindi ko pwedeng tinitin, pero kasi talagang babagsak siya.
Kasi hindi ka na nakababa eh. Hanggang dito lang yung squat na yan. Grabe. Okay, gagawin ko pa rin 8 reps. 50 kg. Pag-pause ka,
Ay, boss ba? May barang din.
go! Position. Tutulungan kita mag-unrock. Kasi malamang sa malamang, pag unrock mo, ubos ka na. Hindi, pagka-unrock mo, ubos ka na. Yung energy mo, di ba, na pagkuha mo, ubos ka na. Kaya maganda sa office. Kasi sinasabi ko sa'yo, maganda mag-bench sa office. Kasi ginaganon ka na, nasa position ka na. Kapag free weights, igaganon mo pa, pagka-unrock mo, puposition mo pa yung sarili mo. Itatak mo yung shoulder blade mo. Pagkatak mo ng shoulder blade mo, saka ka magpupush. Ang daming galaw.
Okay, coach. 1, 2, 3, go. Bitaw mo. Wala. So, mahina bench ko.
Bawas. Malamang sa malamang nasa ano ka? 55. 55.
Yung bench.
Kaya ka nagsi-60 sa office.
Kasi Smith.
Smith machine. Tapos, sabi mo sa akin kung ready ka na. Shoulder blade stuck in ha.
Go. Go.
Press. Okay, safe to say 60. Actually, kaya mo mag-60 yan eh. 65. Kung hindi ka exhausted. Or 62.5 ganun. Pero safe to say 60. Okay, pwede mo. First set, deadlift variation. Posted. Tapos na ako sa deadlift variation, which is post deadlift. Ngayon, itatrain namin yung 1 rep max ni Mark. Let's go, Mark! Down! Ano rate mo doon? 1 out of 10.
Ang bigat. Ay, pati. Pero ano ay parang mamamatay na. Parang
Tanggal ka isa. Tanggalin mo yung 0.5. Let's go with 100. Brace ha. Push siya pa ha. Yung puwet mo. Down. Huwag mo ibabagsak. Pero goods. Position lang yung ayusin natin pero kaya mo. Mabilis pa nga eh. May dadagdag pa yun. So kakatapos lang namin mag-deadlift. Tatanggal na siya ng 100 kg. Mabilis actually yung sa video kami. Siguro nasa ano siya, 105 ganun. So we're ready to do a new training block. Yun yung susundin niya this coming. So yun lang, dito na magtatapos yung workout namin. Gauging the 1 rep max of behind. Nagawa pa ako ng dalawang accessories, leg press and hamstring curls, pero mabilis na lang yun. But that's it for today.